In this video, we will learn how to integrate this camera seamlessly into your smart home setup as it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing hands-free control. Stay connected, stay secure, experience peace of mind like never before. WYZE Campan V3, redefining smart surveillance. Imagine a security camera that moves with the action and works indoors or outdoors. The WYZE Campan V3 combines 360-degree pan, 180-degree tilt, and motion tracking technology to ensure nothing escapes its watchful gaze. From curious pets to unexpected intruders, this camera follows every detail flawlessly. With 1080p HD resolution and color night vision, you'll capture vivid, detailed footage during the day and in the darkest hours. Say goodbye to blurry images. This device ensures 25x better nighttime visibility than conventional cameras, keeping you in the loop at all times. The IP65 weather resistance ensures the WYZE Campan V3 stands strong in rain, snow, or sunshine. Use it in your nursery or on your porch. Wherever you place it, this compact device delivers unmatched coverage and performance. The camera integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to manage your feed through voice commands. Plus, its two-way audio allows you to communicate remotely, making it ideal for monitoring pets or loved ones. Don't miss the chance to enhance your security with innovation and precision. Get the WYZE Campan V3 today for just $38.99. On Amazon, www.amazon.com DP-B9TBY11Q. With limited stock remaining, act fast to bring effortless convenience and safety to your home. Seamlessly compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it integrates effortlessly into your smart home, offering hands-free control and unmatched convenience. Upgrade your home security today and enjoy the perfect combination of technology, functionality, and style, all in one powerful camera.